Let's go over here and see how this trailer renovation is going. It's our 28-foot car hauler. Call it enclosed trailer. Smacked my head on this earlier, cut my head open, so I'll put a rag on there. Anyway, they've been repairing a lot of this wood and such in here. It was all done badly. And sanding the whole entire thing, repairing, caulking holes, taking out a zillion little hooks that people had in here, fixing every little spot, and everything masked off. That piece of metal up there is damaged, so we got to repair it. Can't buy that metal anywhere. Not sure what we're going to do about that. Tore that pretty much completely apart because it was built terrible. Even has some flooring on top of it. I don't know what the hell that's about. But anyway, they're about to start painting on this thing. Of course, we're going to get some white in here from that line up, all across the roof and down. Then we're going to do some checkered. We're going to do checkers up here, black and white checkers in the white, and then we're going to do a solid blue along the bottom. So it should look pretty good. It'll be nice and clean. Also, we got 2 new tail lights. One tail light was bad. Got those installed earlier today. So we got brand new tail lights. One was out, and then we have some exterior damage. Over here, these 2 panels are damaged. 1, 2, we have 2 new panels coming. We're going to replace both of those panels. We also have 2 new fender skirts coming. These fender skirts are smashed pretty badly. I probably could hammer them out, but they'd look terrible, so I just bought 2 new ones. And then in the front, we have some damage. See, this fender skirt's damaged also. Smashed and peeled away. In the front, we've got this diamond plate down here at the bottom, and it's damaged. It's bent over right there. It's creased. And over here is bent and damaged pretty bad. So we're going to replace that panel and that panel. Pretty inexpensive. All of this stuff is really inexpensive. I'm not sure what we're going to do about this ugly stripe because it's got some weird funky texture on it. And without sanding down the whole side of this thing and reshooting it with white, which would be pretty time consuming and expensive, I think we're just going to leave it for now. Also on the other side, this rail is smashed right here. So I got a new rail coming that we're going to replace that too. So it should look pretty good when we're done. After that, we're going to replace this piece and put some new trim around it because it wasn't done properly, whoever did it. And then go give it a hell of a bath. Should have a pretty nice car hauler after that.